Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help how to study science for final exam, updated. Start by mapping the syllabus and grading weight, then block study sessions on your calendar. Choose 2 high-priority topics each session and use active recall with short quizzes. Explain difficult concepts aloud and teach a friend or yourself. Mix in practice problems and past exams to simulate test conditions, and review mistakes the next day to lock learning. In this video, I will explain how to study science for final exam, updated. Start each session with a quick recall of what you learned previously, then target one concept to master with questions. Alternate between reading, explaining aloud, and doing timed problems. Use diagrams and simple analogies to simplify complex ideas, and keep a short error log to revisit common mistakes before each review session. In this video, I will review how to study science for final exam, updated. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: use leak-proof meal prep containers to make grab-and-go study meals, save time, and avoid spills during late-night sessions. They keep snacks tidy and your notes safe. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to study science for final exam, updated. Gather core resources, textbook summaries, lecture slides, and past quizzes, then condense them into targeted review sheets. Enter key facts and formulas into a spaced repetition tool to revisit routinely. Draw concept maps connecting laws, units, and experimental steps to visualize relationships. Schedule mixed practice sessions and a final full practice exam a few days before the test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.